Okay, we've been doing a lot of work. I'm going to show you what we've been working on here. Still got to take that apart. Those boxes, those are pretty much empties. Look at that. Been working. Got it to a point to where we can we're almost to the point to where we can just vacuum, dust, clean, maybe clean a few spots on the carpet, whatever. Got a fridge to get out of here. But we're almost to the point to where we're out of here. Got some lights to take down. This in here. I still got to get that pole. I never did paint over the PS2. Got my dishwasher I need to take to the house. Anyway, almost to the point to where we got it all done. I'll be vacuuming tomorrow to get it all cleaned up, taken care of. I got that bed to take to the house. So, we've been busy. And whoever moves in can paint things their way. And it'll be ready to go, I guess. Still got my lights to take down. But that's where we're at. That's what we've been working on for a few days. Getting out of the studio. But anyway, I'm tired. It's about 11 o'clock at night. My helpers, Johnny and Kenneth and Kayla and Gabriel, they're all tired. They all want to go to bed. I wanted to work all night. I wanted to work like for 48 hours straight, but I can't because I'm tired too. So tomorrow we're going to come down here and we're going to move some extras, and we're going to get this front area totally emptied and cleaned. And I wanted to have it all done today, but you know, things never go as quick as you plan. But anyway, I've still got the dungeon to do. The front part's studio, the back part's the dungeon. I've still got the dungeon to do. So tomorrow is going to be loading up in the U-Haul truck. Big TV, some that queen size bed, the dishwasher, that little fridge, some of these other things, this cabinet here with the glass in it, a couple other items, things that will go to the house. And then after that, I'm going to work on getting anything and everything that's going over to the other building, And I'll get this front cleaned, and then I'll attack the back there and do a video update on that for you. I'm tired. I'm going to go home and go to bed. Whew, man, I tell you, I am tired.